Hi viewers, glad to meet you all through this English for Elegance channel. This is my episode number 5. Now we are going to focus on an important topic, that is spelling thrilling. The topic itself seems to be a very interesting one. Spelling plays a vital role in communication. In any language, we have to write the letters, we have to write the words clearly. In written form of communication, spelling plays a very important role. If we make a minor change in the spelling, there will be a major change in the meaning also. Let us be judicious and cautious in using the spellings for different words. There are certain words for which it's very difficult to remember the spellings. Now let's deal with some of the most interesting and important words and how to deal with them, right? For example, the title for today is Spelling Thrilling. The first word for you is accommodation. A double C O double M O D A T I O N. Let me repeat it. A double C O double M O D A T I O N. Accommodation. Number 2, convenience. The best way to remember this spelling is CON VEN IENCE. Please look at the board. CON VEN IENCE. So please divide this word into group like this. CON VEN IENCE is convenience, right? Number 3, committee. When the word is written by many people, quite often they forget the spelling. Whether it is double T or single T or double M or single M or double E or single E, like that, and they get confused. Very simple. It's CO double M, then I, then double T, double E. CO double M, I, double T and double E is committee. The fourth word for today is attendance. Attendance is taken in schools, colleges, offices, everywhere. It's very common. We all know that the word is very common. But the thing is, when we write the spelling for attendance, sometimes we get confused. So how to remember the spelling for this? A double T, E N D, end. E N D is end. A N C. At 10 dawns. Please remember, at, it is at, TE is 10. Dance, DANCE. Attendance, right? The 5 is opportunity. Again, this is a word which is sometimes confusing with regard to the spellings, right? O double P O. O double P O or TUNITY. The first part appears to be oppose or opposition or opposite, like that. O double P O. It is not O double P U. O double P O or TUNITY. Opportunity means a chance. Number 6 is miscellaneous. Miscellaneous means all and sundry. Extra items, miscellaneous, right? MIS CELLA NEOUS. MIS CELLANEOUS. Miscellaneous. Miscellaneous means whatever is left out, additional, miscellaneous, right? Number 7 is magnificent. It is not magnificent, it is magnificent. Magnificent. It is not Cient. Magnificent. Magnificent. Magnificent means something very great or wonderful. A. Advantageous. Advantageous is an adjective. Advantageous is the plural for advantage. Please remember, the word advantage is a noun. Its plural is advantageous, but this word is advantageous. Advantageous. Let me repeat it. Advantageous. Advantageous is an adjective. Now, when you come across any new word in English or any unfamiliar word in English, the word that you do not know, please do like this. You take a piece of paper or a note down the spelling carefully. Once you write the word with the spelling on a paper, on a piece of paper or a notebook, whatever it is, you will remember the spelling forever. I just guarantee you. Because sometimes we know the word, we have heard the word, but when it comes to the matter of writing the spelling, we get confused. For example, government and government. Government is government. Government of India. Government of Maharashtra, like that. The other word is similar to this is government. Garment. Government means clothing or dress. So please be careful about the spellings. Spelling makes a beautiful communication. The correct form of spelling gives you a wonderful opportunity to become a wonderful communicator. So let us win the spellings. Let us do magic with the spellings. So always spelling is thrilling. Thank you very much. Let's meet in the next video.